Hi, to pair your Samsung Galaxy S25 with AirPods, as a first step, take your AirPods, open the lid, and find this button on the back part of it. We need to hold the button so this indicator up front will be blinking white, just like that. And now they are ready to be paired, so don't close the case. Just open settings on the phone. Here go in connections. Then choose Bluetooth and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And after that, find your AirPods in the list of available devices. These are mine, so I'm gonna tap it and confirm that I wanna pair them with my phone. And voila, now they are paired because we can see status connected for calls and audio, and we can see them in paired devices list. We can also tap settings icon. Here choose device type and set headphones. We can enable to use them for calls and audio, so the switchers would be blue like in my case. We can rename them, disconnect, and if you got some issues, then you can unpair it, and then you need to pair them again with a phone. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.